Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to let you know about Chiquita. Chiquita Crochet is such an enabler. She really is, and she finds the good stuff to enable you with. She told me about, well, she told the chat about this thrift. Anyway, I start that over. She told the chat in one of the lives I was in about this Etsy shop that sells really affordable mixed media stuff, along with a lot of other stuff. So, well, you know, I had to check it out, and I spent too much money. I didn't spend a lot, really. I'll tell you at the end how much I paid for all of this. Anyway, it is PERRIANNS Arts in Things, the letter N. And I'll put the name of it down below. But I can't wait to get into it because I'm getting back into my mixed media more and more now. And most of my mixed media stuff has dried up because, as y'all know, I have not been very active because of health reasons. But I'm starting to feel a lot better now. So I want to get more active. And I love my gorgeous girl stamps. And I don't have any this size. I didn't even know they made them this size. But I'm going to use the heck out of this. As a matter of fact, I'm going back to her channel to see if she has any more. Because I just love this size. So I got the little pirate girl because, you know, all that's going on with Johnny Depp right now. I thought I'd give him a friend. Then I bought some distress spray stains. For those of you that hate the ruffle of a bag, I'm sorry. I'll go ahead and do them both at the same time, so I can really torture you. So I got 5 of these, and it came super fast. So I got the Crackling Campfire, I got the Victorian Velvet, pink, you know, I got the Picket Fence, which is white, and I got the Uncharted Mariner, which is Tim Holtz' new color. All of these, by the way, are Ranger. They're all Tim Holtz sprays. I wanted to make that clear because of the price I paid in. And I got the Saltwater Taffy. Now, I live about a half a block from Michael's, if that much. And that's where I have always bought these, because Hobby Lobby is like an hour and a half away. I got this giant stamp, 5 of these, for $21.08, and that includes tax and shipping. So, yeah, guys, check her out. It is amazing the things she has, and I will be going back over there and purchasing more because, like I said, these are all brand new. They're all sealed, never opened. This is brand new. It's still in the case, never opened. And it's just a win-win situation. Why go and pay full price or marked up prices that the big box stores are charging when you can go to Etsy and get it from somebody who's selling wholesale? Okay, check her out, but not anytime soon, because I'm going to go over there again before I post this video. Make sure she's not sold out of what I want to get. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye!